We're planting our spring garden today. I have some tomatoes here. We have okra, we have some squash, we have peppers, and some eggplant. Some of these different plants will do well throughout the summer. Eggplants, tomatoes, bell peppers usually do great through the summer into the fall. Okra will also go all the way through the summer. Some things like squash may peter out later in the summertime, but you could go ahead and get them in your garden now. I've got some heirloom tomato varieties that the AgCenter recommended. This is the Brandywine heirloom tomato, and we also have the mortgage lifter tomato, just to name a couple of the varieties that I'm working with today. But we're gonna go ahead and plant these. I've taken a tape measure out here and gone ahead and spaced these at about 2 feet distance apart to give them plenty of growing room, so you get as much growing area as possible to get some large tomatoes. So what we do here is we just dig a hole, make sure that the root mass is covered. We want to pat it down. And once all these plants are in the ground, it's recommended to prevent weeds from coming up, to use trifluralin can be used in your vegetable gardens. You can, after you've transplanted, go ahead and sprinkle around to prevent weeds from coming up in the garden. And then furthermore, we can use some pine straw mulch to prevent weeds and to help keep moisture in the garden. Make sure you water all the plants in when you're done. All right, so get those vegetables in your spring garden so you can enjoy them this summer. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.